Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Phantom Wallet application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and simply type in Phantom Wallet and start the search. Once you find the search result of Phantom from Phantom Technologies, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Now all you need to do is tap on install and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once the download and installation is complete, you will be able to tap on the open button to open up the Phantom application. And once you open it up, you can sign up to create a new account or log into your existing account to immediately start trading on the Phantom platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Phantom Wallet application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.